So guys, you clicked on this video because you want to know how I made over $7,000 clipping for N3on. So guys, basically I'm going to teach you how to do it from scratch right now. And it's going to be a super quick video. The production's awful, but it's just a value and I'm going to disappear. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to join N3on's clipping server, which you can do through Scarlet Creatives and Scarlet Bot. It's basically like the WAP Content Rewards, but in Discord for streamers. So once you basically join the server, you'll see he pays 20 USD per 100,000 views and you can post on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So once you join this server, guys, essentially you want to find clips that you want to use to basically get views for him. So what you want to do is you want to go onto kick.com. You want to search up N3on, as you can see here. You go onto N3on and you click on his profile, which will show up here. Then you want to go over to clips, right? This is where the viewers have automatically already clipped viral clips that have viral potential, right? So essentially you go through here, you choose a viral clip, like this one, for example. You know, this would be an interesting moment somehow. Okay guys, so I don't know who this guy is, but I assume this is some sort of guy who has a bit of clout. So what you want to do then is take that video, put it into CapCut, and make a video literally exactly similar to this. So as you guys can see here, you got an interesting video, interesting moment, and you got good music, and you got caption.
Bro, he lost weight.
So essentially, and you got obviously famous people like Lil Pump. So what you want to do is basically post that over a lot of accounts. So volume, guys, volume is really important with clipping. So you know, if I make 4 different videos, if I make 4, like this video, this video, this video, and this video here, which just all full disclosure, it's not my account, guys. I don't necessarily clip for N3on anymore, but I have made money doing it in the past. I've just gone to different streamers. But what you want to do is you want to make videos like this. So 4 of these videos, then you want to make 10 different Instagram accounts, or 5. Okay, probably start off with 5. You're a beginner. You want to basically you can post that video one time on each of those 5 accounts. You know, do that for all 4 of the videos, you know, with 3 or 4 hours in between. In my Discord, I go through an easy method on how to do it, and also all the other in-depth guides you'd ever need to go viral on social media and get all the views you want and rack up a fuck ton of money. I've made over 100k clipping. If you don't believe me, I'll be making a video soon, and join Discord, I can show you proof. Long story short though, back to the video. Obviously you can see the views these get. So 7.1k, 2.4k, you know, 6k views and 3k views. You know what I'm saying? So if you get that over 4 to 5 accounts, you know what I'm saying, that's like, you know, 100k views a day minimum, you know, of all of those accounts posting 4 times. So then you can obviously see how, you know, that might be $20, but you know, one of those videos goes viral, you know, that's $20 a day. That's still like $400 a month, you know what I mean? I'm just literally posting videos online that you have to do no effort for. The clip's already there, you just need to put them in CapCut and put a clickbait title. You know, once you get a video that goes viral, you'll notice you make a lot more money. I made a lot of money when N3on did streams with Gorlock. When N3on did streams of that person, I was making, you know, crazy bread, like 2k in a month, 3k in a month, literally just because I was clipping for him. It's a trend. So one good trend right now is Lacey and McKinley, Jack Dory's ex, if you don't know that person, and essentially they get crazy views from doing this kind of stuff. And you know what I'm saying, you literally just put a clickbait title and them there. Obviously Lacey does have a clipping server as well, and funny enough, I'm pretty sure it is with Scarlet Bot, which if you got, again, if you guys want to start clipping for them, join the Discord down below, links in my description. I don't get a penny from it, guys. This video is unedited, it's raw. You see me stumble a little bit because I'm just trying to get this video out a little bit quick, so it's the 3rd time recording it. But long story short, that's how you get started clipping, guys. You know, once you get the clips up and post them on Instagram, you then go over to the commands channel, you then do, you know, /submit, and then you literally put the URL of your video, so link to your YouTube short or reel. So for example, what you would do is you would, to go into your reel, you would click on this one, and here's the URL here, you copy that, then you put that into the submission command there, and then the bot will then track the views. You'll get paid at the end of the month, and that is genuinely how I make $6,000+ from clipping for N3on and Aiden Ross as well. So it's super simple, guys. Really quick video, literally just a value drop. If you're interested in learning or wanting to do it for free, join my Discord down below and I'll teach you guys for free. Peace.